accidental friendship. Lily and Zari are sitting in a coffee shop. Zari is looking at her phone with wide eyes.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no!
What happened?
I was texting a new member to invite her to Calculus Club, but I typed the wrong number by accident.
What did the message say?
It says, "Hi, Calculus Club is my favorite part of the week. We're so excited you're joining us Friday," with 5 heart emojis.
That's embarrassing, but not for the reason you think.
Lily, a complete stranger got that message. What do I do?
Nothing. You do nothing. They'll forget about it in 2 seconds. Zari's phone buzzes. She freezes.
They replied, "I can't look. You read it."
Lily takes the phone and reads the message. It says, "I love calculus too. What's your favorite type of equation? Mine is differential."
What? No way.
You found your soulmate by accident.
I should call and apologize. This is so awkward.
Zari calls the number. Suddenly, a phone starts ringing behind the counter. The barista reaches into her pocket and answers. Hello? Wait, is that you two at the table?
Oh no, that was you?
Yeah, I just got this number last week. Honestly, your text made my day. You can't even order coffee without... making a friend.
I didn't do it on purpose.
That's what makes it so painful to watch. Assistance means help or support given to someone to do a task. Check means to look at something carefully to make sure it is correct or promptly. Promptly means without delay, quickly and on time. Replaced means put something new in the place of something old or broken. Nearby. I will stay dash in case any other issues arise. Nearby means close to a place or person. Replaced. I will fix it dash to avoid any glitches. Prompt. It dash my pleasure to assist you. Presentation. Good luck dash your presentation. How do I begin my letter? Dear Sir/Madam. Next. I regret to inform you that I cannot be in court tomorrow. Okay. I would appreciate it if you would reschedule the hearing, but on what grounds? Enclosed is a sickness certificate. Brilliant. Yours sincerely, Fletcher Reed.
They're my favorite.
He likes coffee.
Coffee is my favorite drink. I actually like it.
He likes coffee. Of course he likes salad. He likes coffee.